Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Abdul Hanan Ahmad Khan from 8B. Today I am here to speak a few words on International Women's Day. International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March. Every year around the world, it's day to dedicate to celebrate women achievement in various social and political and cultural fields. Do you know why Women's Day is celebrated? In 1905, when a socio-political party of America celebrated 15,000 of women who protested against the various issues like low payoff scale, equal opportunities, and lack of voting rights in New York City. In 1975, the United Nations recognized International Women's Day from 1996. International Women's Day became a theme to celebrate women in society. It is also important to raise awareness about women rights and gender parity. It is important to have a day that discrimination that are happening against the women. Women's Day should be considered a day where everyone acknowledges the values and the importance of the women. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. I am Muhammad Far. Today I am speak a few words on International Women's Day. As we all know, we are here to celebrate the presence of women in society and to celebrate their achievement. And to celebrate the International Women's Day, it is celebrated on 8th March as a focal point in the women's rights movement to bring attention issues such as gender equality, reproductive rights, and violence and abuse against women. Each year, March 8th is observed as a International Women's Day is celebrated to women in society and to celebrate they all around the world. It is for in achieving this target. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very warm welcome to all my listeners. My name is Abdul Nawaz Khan, studying 7th standard. On this auspicious occasion, I am incredibly delighted to deliver a short but motivational speech on the Women's Day. March 8 is celebrated as International Women's Day to honor the achievements of the women in various fields. Nowadays, women are equally productive as men practically every sphere of life. We can dispute their approach all they do, whether at home or in a business, with great zeal and skills. They created not only themselves but also an entire community. There can be just one day set aside to honor the women. Every day is recognized as a day in which we celebrate the dignity of the women. Let us honor and respect to the women, whether they are moms, sisters, daughters, and wives. Let's demonstrate our pride in the achievements and commitment to build the world free for all years for the women. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. I am Muhammad Abdul Karim from class 7. Today I am here to speak a few words about Women's Day. First of all, I wish a Women's Day to all beautiful and courageous women. Every year, International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March across the world. Women's Day is a social, economic, cultural and political achievement of women. She is independent and self-confident in every aspect, and she is capable of doing everything equal to men. Every woman is extraordinary. Happy Women's Day. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Sayyid Zakiyuddin Khadri of class 6. Happy Women's Day to all mothers, sisters and respected teachers. 8 March every year is an International Women's Day. Some might say, what does it have to do with us? It has nothing to do with us. Actually, this day is a reflection of social oppression. Why do certain countries celebrate Independence Day? To mark their liberation. Women's Day is a reminder that we still have not secured the woman from oppression. Islam gave women's right. Islam came to liberate women and gave the right financially to be independent. They were allowed to accounts and they are allowed to trade and have to their own accounts. We see from the Sira and were included in Shura and gave the high level of respect for the women. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Happy Women's Day.